Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to become AliExpress seller. To do that, I will need to use my browsing system, so open your browser and here search seller.aliexpress.com, and then at the top on this page you should see this orange button, Join AliExpress. And this is basically AliExpress Global Seller Center. So if you don't have your account yet, you should register. But if you have your account, in the top right corner you see sign in button. For registration you should select your country. But note that AliExpress allows sellers from some specific countries, so make sure that your country is supported. You see that this list is not that big, but I think AliExpress will work on it very soon. So select your country and then provide an email address that you want to be, that this email will be connected to this seller center of AliExpress. And then when you entered your email address, you should tap this send button to receive a verification code to that email address that you have provided. And then when you receive it, enter it here. And in the very end you should set up your password for that account. So enter a password and enter your password once again, and when you're done doing this all stuff, you should press register button. It should be blue, and then you will be redirected to page where you should submit, where you should basically mark that you agree with terms of service and stuff like that. So mark it, click agree button, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can set up your store basically. So you should fill in your business, enterprise and store information. You'll be asked to provide the name of your store, description of what you plan to sell, and possibly some documents for identification of business. Once your information is submitted, AliExpress will review your application, and this usually takes a few days. And if everything is okay and approved, you will get an email confirmation, and then you can access your seller dashboard, and basically you can start selling on AliExpress. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.